In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Form 1098T data into Turbotax. Filing taxes can be daunting, but with Turbotax, the process is simplified. Today we will focus on importing your Form 1098T, which is crucial if you're managing education-related expenses and scholarships. Let's start by heading over to the Turbotax website. If you haven't visited before, it's where you'll conduct most of your online tax filing tasks. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which you'll find conveniently placed on the homepage. Clicking on Sign In will allow you to access your account or create one if you're a first-time user. After signing in, you'll see your Turbotax homepage. This page serves as your command center for managing your tax-related activities. The next step involves navigating to your tax files. On the homepage, you'll typically see an option labeled 2024 taxes or something similar depending on the tax year. Click on this section to begin working on the current year's taxes. Following that, you need to focus on the Federal tab. The Federal section is an essential part of Turbotax as it deals with your national tax returns. Ensure you are in the right section before proceeding further. Once you are in the Federal section, look for the Deductions and Credits tab. This part of Turbotax is specifically designed to help you maximize your deductions and credits, which can significantly affect your tax return outcome. It's a section worth exploring fully if you want to potentially increase your refund or reduce your owed taxes. Now, let's dive into the specific area we're focusing on today: education expenses. In the deductions and credits section, look for the option labeled education. By selecting education, you open up options related to educational costs and benefits. This is where the Form 1098T comes into play. Next, you will want to click on the expenses and scholarships Form 1098T option. This link will guide you through importing your Form 1098T data directly into Turbotax. Carefully follow the prompts and instructions provided, entering accurate information as required. This ensures that your educational expenses and scholarships are correctly reported on your tax return. By following these steps, your Form 198T data should be successfully imported into Turbotax, making your tax filing process smoother and more efficient. Remember to review all entered data for accuracy before submitting your tax return. Turbotax typically offers helpful hints along the way, so take advantage of these if you find yourself needing additional guidance. And that's it. You've now imported your Form 198T into Turbotax, streamlining your educational expenses reporting. Stay tuned for more tips on simplifying your tax filing process.